ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another edition of Cooking with Tank, and today I will be making you a cheesy shredded chicken sandwich. But the thing is, I've already have shredded the chicken. I have it here in the crock pot, this container here, and I've cooked that in the crock pot with summer shanty beer, some garlic powder, pepper, chili powder, cumin, and Dano's Spicey and Dano's Original. Kind of at the end, then I mixed it all together. I did that a couple days ago. I didn't think about making this until today. So what we're gonna need is a nice big skillet. No, I'm kidding. Didn't hurt myself. So let's move Dad's watch over here because I don't want to get it messy. So let's start doing what we need to do here. So we're going to actually put you on mini try right now so we can actually get started here. Alright, now we just set it to medium, and now we are going to bring this in. Okay, good. Come on. Guys, this stuff is so good. Before I was just eating it cold, and it was just yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. And now we're going to add a couple things of butter in there. We need one more little bit here. We'll get that shortly. I have to open up this new thing of butter. Can't believe it's not butter. Alright. There we go. We're actually going to turn up the heat a little bit more. We'll actually even put it to 8. So we're going to just kind of mix these together. Yeah, because so the chicken is already cooked. We're going to be kind of butter it up a little. We're going to let the butter melt, and then we're going to rotate the meat around in the butter. Beer break. Okay. Rotate around some more. We're actually going to put a smidge more butter in this. A couple more. I'm going to take a big old piece and just set it right in the center here. Good simmer. And it's also cooking those seasonings again. Get them all rotated. Okay. Good. Now, folks, we are going to use some sharp cheddar. Right, open this bag up. If it'll let me. There we go. It's a wee bit frozen. That's okay. Get some more sharp cheddar in there. Just get it all over there. There. Oh! Alright. Good. Just have to wash my hands of the cheese. Okay. We're gonna actually now just start mixing it in. We are stirring in the cheese. Yep, just mixing in the cheese. Okay. As that is happening, we got just on that side, we are going to kind of give it a little bit more flavor as I splash a little bit of beer in there. Just right on that side. And we are going to steam that up, get more of the cheese, more of a melt. And then now, as that's doing that, guys, we're going to focus on the bun of the day that I'll be using. So, and we're gonna toast that up. So let's do that. Alright folks, we got our buns. Now we're going to take some butter. We're going to butter the buns. Well, that's not working very well. Try to get it spread. It's kind of hard when it's, you know, kind of cold. Okay, let's do the bottom bun. I'm just gonna. I'm having difficulty, so we're just going to. All right. Now we're going to put these on the pizzazz and get a nice buttery toast to them. So let's go and do that quick. Okay, we're gonna just let them do that and then we'll come back. Alright guys, look at that. That toasting looks great. Great! Alright. Smidge more. Yeah. Okay. I've tried it off camera, not the sandwich, but just the meat, and it is delicious. So now, you don't need to do this, but I'm gonna, because I'm just a glutton for punishment. I'm going to add some hot jalapenos on there, but they're jalapenos. How hot can they be? So we're going to be adding, ooh, we'll grab that pretty little red one right there. And this, oh, we got two right there. Perfect. And we're going to spice it up a little bit more. Yeah, just get that one right there. Right there. Right there. Now if you tell anyone that one is right there, I will find you and give you a big hug. What, you thought I was going to threaten you? Yeah, I might threaten you with a good time. Yeah. And then, we're going to... I'm just a real glutton for punishment today, so I'm going to grab some of this Miranda's wing, ghost pepper wing, and I'm going to squirt it on the top bun. We're just going to go bloop, bloop, and bloop. Ha ha ha. There we go, right on top. There we go, ladies and gentlemen, and that right there is a sandwich. Let's just kind of get that right there. And we're going to get ready here shortly for damage control and try it. Alright folks, there it is. There it is. A wonderful looking cheesy shredded chicken, I guess cheesy shredded chicken sandwich, spicy cheesy shredded chicken sandwich. My God, that's a mouthful, Brian. So enough chat. It's time to try. Alright. Yeah. Just look at that. This is big and meaty. Definitely gonna be spicy too with the habanero. Jalapeno peppers, not habanero. And also the ghost pepper sauce, buffalo style. Let's get to it. Oh. That is fucking awesome, ladies and gents. You get the taste of the previous seasonings. I cooked it when it was in the crock pot. They came out during the cooking process in the skillet and just made that good. And then the shredded cheddar cheese on there, in there, just, chef's kiss. Me adding the jalapenos gave it a good kick in the boom boom. But that ghost pepper sauce on there right now is delicious with it. There's enough here to kind of tame that heat, but it's still there, and guys, literally shredded chicken, cheese, shredded cheese, fold the cheese in, fold it, don't mix it, fold it in. And guys, delicious. Beer. So, I want you to go out and try to make this yourself. So, till next time, my friends and fans, I've been Tank signing off. Have a wonderful day, night, evening, whenever you're watching this. And I'm gonna leave you with this. You may think you're the only one on your journey. At this time, you may think you're the only one. But you will find companions, friends, family, lovers, and also good times and good vibes. Keep your story going. Stay away from that darkness. And always remember that you're still fucking awesome. And that's coming from Tank. And I know I'm awesome. Peace out. Much love.